At first I started this YouTube channel to be like a travel thing because I'm always on the road, and I thought, oh, people like travelers. Then I learned that all the travel vloggers and social media people are lame and they just make up personalities. I decided I didn't want to be a travel vlogger, and it doesn't matter. I didn't need to make any decisions. Everyone started subscribing to my channel for weed videos. All right, so we're going to the medical marijuana dispensary. I keep my my weed thing in my LegalZoom folder. My articles of incorporation for Perception Travel. Thank you for ordering your nonprofit. And my California Health and Safety Code medical marijuana certificate. And I don't really want to be about weed videos, so I'm using all that because weed is a good tool to open up the doorway into creative imaginations. But it's funny, I have all this frustration about my YouTube channel because it didn't manifest how I wanted it to. Like, people don't care about my travels. Wah. People want my weed videos. Wah. People like you vlogging. Wah. Act. Hello, and welcome to the many faces of J Herbs. I remember just doing these new things and going, yeah, this feels like more like who I actually am, not the version of me that like my childhood and society told me I had to be. Then you also like get the surge of creativity where you know that anything is possible. Being yourself is the most generous thing you can do on this planet. You will naturally be happy and emit those kind of happy frequencies that make other people happy around you. You know how like each level in a video game gets more and more intense? You have to figure out the controls, what's comfortable, what flows. Like, so imagine that that's what life is. Getting better at the controls is by changing the environment. This is where I think will be my home base for a little while. And right here you see my shower right there. So I feel like a lot of kids are bored. In a way, it can be inspiring to see that they can like smoke weed and still be productive. It's not why they're watching it. They're watching it because they got nothing better to fucking do. That freedom to express yourself however you are is more valuable than money, than goods, and it all comes from this shift in perception you get from having new experiences. Yeah, it feels really good, actually. I was thinking, I'm watching all these people make these fucking channels about being these like spiritual people, about enlightenment, and they figured it out. The enlightenment is inside of you all the time. Like, okay, yeah, we get it. All of us are those people, and that's where that revolution is. We're always just so distracted in the future, or even the past, or the mind. But it's really just right here. It's right here, it's right there. So, welcome to the new channel. You can play and fucking make the game. You can design the gameplay environment. What was in that coffee, man?
Seriously.
Let's go. I don't want to not be me, and like it's putting me in these situations that suck, but at the same time they're so great because they challenge me and they help me grow and they help me like focus on what's real, like what's going on right here and now. Whoa, bro. So I wrote this song. It's called A Cliche Love Song. Let's roll a joint under a tree. Let's get high, just you and me. Fucking be yourself, man. Just be yourself. So the next verse is it's about taking mushrooms.